Hi friends, welcome back. So March has long passed by this point, so this is a less of a plan with me and more like we survived March check-in. That's okay because for this month's setup, I feel that you can recreate this whenever you want to honor women. So yeah, with that said, here is a journal setup inspired by strong women characters from movies and series I grew up loving. Starting off with my cover page, I thought I would draw inspiration from characters who shows so much strength and courage. Like for example, Miss Temperance Brennan from Bones, a forensic anthropologist at the Jeffersonian. She inspires me because she stays true to logic and herself even when the world doesn't always agree with her. If you haven't seen this series, it's currently streaming on Netflix and Disney Plus. So yeah, aside promo for my favorite series ever. Just a side note, I sketched everything in Procreate first, which gave me cleaner, smoother lines and made layering a lot easier. A little tip, if you're drawing digitally as well, try using the studio pen or technical pen brush. It's perfect for clean outlines, especially for faces. Next is another beloved character, Miss Hermione Granger. She shows that intelligence, preparation, and courage can be just as powerful as any kind of magic. Next is Miss Jo March, who reminds me to be unapologetically myself and chase a life that feels true to who I am. And finally, we have Miss Katniss Everdeen. She reminds me that strength comes from love, sacrifice, and protecting the people you care about. So yeah, those are just a few of the strong women characters that I have sketched for this cover page. For sure, there are more women to admire in the film industry. If you have any recommendations or suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. I'm sure that I'd love to check out the series or movies that they star in. As I drew each character, I realized strength comes in so many forms, and for this month, it felt right to celebrate that. These women are all different, but in their own ways, they're all strong, brave, independent, and unapologetically themselves, which is why it's not hard for me to draw inspiration from them. So if you're unfamiliar of these female characters, I hope this video will encourage you to give them a second look because they really played such inspirational characters. Now for my monthly calendar, I kept it clean and functional but added small details inspired by each character, like their swords, wands, guns, and even a book. These little doodles are subtle reminders of the stories those actors created and that inspired each character. This edition made planning feel more fun and personalized. Also, a little tip, I used layers for each doodle so I could move them around without disturbing the calendar grid. for that, I made a movie playlist spread. This is where I'll keep track of women-led films and series I want to watch this month. And if you've checked, there is quite a few, like the ballerina action film, a thrilling witch movie called Forbidden Fruits. I'm very much excited for all those to come. Or they already did. Anyways, here is where I plan to rate and comment about it. So if you know any inspiring women-led movies or series that I should add, leave them in the comments. I love discovering new favorites. Also, right beside it, I added one of my favorite quotes that reads, "A strong woman is not defined by the battle she fought, but her will to keep fighting." I really love this quote. It definitely represents or carry out the theme that we are going for this month. And finally, we are nearly into the end. For the last spread for this setup, here we have is my weekly spreads. I dedicated each week to a different female character. One of them is Miranda Priestley from The Devil Wears Prada, complete with her iconic line, "That is all." I'll be filling each week with other characters and their famous quotes, so each week has a different kind of energy, fun, powerful, and inspiring. A little tip for the weekly spreads: keep your illustrations a bit small in the margins so your weekly boxes stay functional but still look cute. Once everything was complete, I exported all my sketches into the GoodNotes app and set everything up. There's something really satisfying about seeing your ideas come to life digitally. It makes using your planner even more enjoyable. So for my spreads that I didn't mention earlier, I also used different shades of purple for the headers and weekends, because purple is the color of the month and it gives the spread a cozy, cohesive look. So when a drawing feels incomplete, adding small themed elements makes your spreads feel more personal and creative, and also cohesive. Also, if you're using GoodNotes or any digital planner, try duplicating a page to experiment with colors or layouts. Trust me, it's a game changer. So if you don't want purple, you don't have to use purple. You can try or recreate this in a different color scheme, whatever your heart's desire. And that is all for today's setup. Thank you so much for watching and spending a little time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me which strong woman character inspired you the most this month. As always, leave a little sparkle in everything you do. Virtual hugs and kisses. Una na ako.